Okay, Moonbeams 3, we are continuing on. We were on page 61, using our circle of fifths for the major and the relative minor. And just use your key signature. Should be nice and easy. And 73, this one is enharmonics. Now, enharmonics are the same note, but they have two different note names. So if we are to look at F sharp, we can also call F sharp G flat, and it's the very same note, just like F can also be called E sharp. Okay, so you're going to color or number code and match up the relative or the enharmonic twin of this. It's the very same note. It can't be an octave higher or lower. Exact same note. It's just got a different name. Okay. And 75, we are looking at chromatic semitones. So a chromatic semitone would share a common note name to go from C to C sharp or C to C flat. Okay? It's got to have a common note name. A diatonic semitone would have a different note name. So we would go from C and then we would call it D flat. Okay? But chromatic, common, means the very same. Okay, so you're going to go through and write a chromatic semitone above each of these notes. And it's got to be the very same note in the very same line. Then 108, we are looking at major thirds and minor thirds. So remember, when we look at this, we look at our bottom note first. We put, it's F. F has a B flat up here. Would I play A in my F major scale? I would. This is a major third. Okay. This one, we look at C. There's no sharps or flats. So would I play E flat on my C major scale? Yeah, I would not, because there's no sharps or flats. This is a minor third. Okay. Then on 119, circle the correct answer. So is it a major or a minor? And we're looking at sixths, at sevenths. So same rule applies though. Look at your bottom note, write what's in the key signature. If the top note would be played in the bottom note's major scale, and it always has to be major, then it's a major interval. Don't even go to the minor scale, okay? So the key of this one would be the key of G major. Does G major have an E? Yes, it does, because you would have written F sharp up here for G major. I would play E in my G major scale. Okay? Make sure you understand this. If you need extra help with it, contact me and we can go through that. That's your theory, but like I said, you've got 2 weeks to do it. And we will see you on Thursday night of this week to work with our second round of our Technique Olympics. So we'll say goodbye. And sorry, this is divided into 2 videos, but... So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a great week, you guys.